Looking forward for Astronomy 100 for Tuesday, February 4th, 2014. As you get ready for class on Wednesday, I'd like you to read units 37 and 38 of the book. And I'd like you to think about 3 questions. Number 1, we saw last time that moving charges, could create magnetic fields. Our question is, what effect would magnetic fields have on moving charges? What would that result be, and what would that mean? Why would that be useful for us here on Earth? Our second question relates to the fact that on the Earth, here's a picture of the Earth here, we said that there were magnetic fields that go around the Earth like this. We said those magnetic fields exist because in the inside of the Earth here, in the center, we have a molten core. Our question is, what would create that molten core? If it's high temperature, where does that energy come from? Is that energy something that had to be there from the beginning of time? Or is it being produced as we go on? And how would we know? Our third question is a little bit different. If I were to take an object, let's say a ball, here we go, and I were to watch it near the Earth, here's the surface of the Earth, and I were to take that ball and throw it up, what would that ball do? Would it stay up forever? Would it come back down? Why? Let's say I threw it at 1 meter per second, or 5 meters per second, or 10 meters per second. Would it always come back down? Or would there be a speed that if I threw it fast enough, it would leave the Earth? And if there was, what would that mean about the stuff that's able to fly around on the Earth? As you can tell, all 3 of these questions actually have something to do with why it's possible to have life on Earth in the first place. We'll talk about these questions and more when we get together on Wednesday. See you then.